In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Amazon Prime and get a full refund. Alright, so first thing that I want to say is this is not set in stone that you're going to get a refund, but let's not waste time, let's get into the video. So, first thing we want to do is start off with that cancellation. Go to Account and Lists, then Membership and Subscriptions. Now, your current membership will appear here. I'm going to just go to Past Memberships to give you a bit of a visual. And so if I remember correctly, here under Prime membership settings, just underneath it, there should be cancel subscription, or it might have been in blue. Either or, it'll then give you a message once you click on cancel saying that your Prime membership will end on this date and will not renew. So we still need that refund though, as we don't plan on using that Prime membership that we've already paid for. What we want to do is contact support immediately. So go to contact us. I usually just use something else if I want to contact them. Probably not the correct way to go about it, but it works. Then you want to click on I need more help. And now you have two options. Chat with us. I would recommend though request a phone call. And once you do that, just explain the situation, explain that you've been charged for the Prime membership, but you have no intention of using it. You need to be refunded. And that is it. Short, simple, to the point. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It helps our channel. And I'll see you in the next video.